Good day! We are Inihaw Republic and this is our final project for database system, the Inihaw Republic Online Food Ordering and Management System. We identified a major problem in the local food industry. Many Filipino ihawan or grill houses still rely on manual operations. Orders are taken on paper, which get lost, reservations are written in logbooks, leading to double booking and inventory is often untracked. Our solution is a centralized database-driven web application. It transforms these manual tasks into a digital workflow, handling everything from customer registration and table reservations to real-time order tracking and sales reporting.
Now, let's start with the customer module. New users create an account via a registration page, which securely restores the credentials in the user's table. Once logged in, your session activates, unlocking the full menu. Okay, so here is our dynamic menu. All of these items, names, and images and prices are in pesos, which then are fetched directly from the menu item database table. Let's then add a Firebird burger and a Dragon Mojito to my cart. This action triggers an AJAX request to the action.php, instantly updating the cart counter without even reloading the page at all. In the cart page, users can review the order. The system calculates the grand total including the delivery fee. When I proceed to check out and confirm cash, the system executes a transaction. It moves the items from the temporary cart table into the permanent orders and order items tables, and then it clears the cart. And regarding to the logbook issue, we also solve it. By going to the reservations, customers can book tables online via reservation.php. This entry is saved to the reservation table, allowing admins to anticipate the guest volume.
While the customer waits, the data travels here to the admin dashboard. This is the control center. Using SQL aggregate function like count and sum, we display real-time metrics for total orders, total sales, and registered users. Here is the order member 2 just placed. It allows the kitchen staff to view the details in viewOrder.ph. Crucially, we can update the status by changing this to on the way. That runs an update query on the database, which keeps the customer informed.
And again, for our reservations, here we have the reservations that we just added earlier. You can also sort by status, and then dates, or and here is the added one. You could also change from whether of these options. Also edit it from whether one of this. And we also have this colorful display that will show any reserved by customers.
Finally, the admin has full CRUD capabilities. We can add, edit, or delete menu items here. If barbecue chicken pizza runs out of stock, we can instantly update its availability, preventing customers' frustration.
Powering our system is a relational database named Restaurant. We designed it to be normalized and efficient. Our core entities include number 1, users, stores, customer profiles using email as the primary key. Number 2, menu item and category. We separated categories like main dish, dessert, enter the own table to reduce redundancy. Link by category _ID. Number 3, orders and order _item. This is our most critical relationship. The orders table stores the summary, who, when, total, while order _items acts as a child table storing the specific dishes, like the chicken wings or samosas for that order. This one-to-many relationship allows a single order to contain multiple food items.
One challenge I faced was session management. We had to ensure that users couldn't access the admin dashboard by just typing the URL. I addressed this by implementing session check at the top of every PHP file, like in index.php, verifying if session admin login is true before loading the page.
When developing this website, the challenges that I faced was the shopping cart logic. Originally, items would disappear or even duplicate. I solved this by creating a dedicated cart table in the database. When add to cart PHP is called, it first checks if the item, like example garlic bread, already exists for that user. If it does, it updates the quantity instead of inserting a new row, which keeps the data clean.
I struggled with the database relationships, specifically displaying the order history. We needed to show who ordered what, so I addressed this by learning how to use inner join queries in our SQL, which allowed us to fetch the user's name from the user's table and their specific order details from orders in a single view.
My difficulty was connecting the front end to the back end. Making the add cart button update the number instantly without refreshing the page was hard. I solved this by using Ajax, inaction.php, which sends data to the server in the background, providing a smoother user experience.
In conclusion, Inihaw Republic is not just a website, but a fully functional database system. It solves the operational insufficiencies of local restaurants through structured data management. We successfully implemented the required features from secure user authentication to complex order processing using real-time menu items like our signature burgers and pizzas. Thank you for listening.